Hey everybody, Dr. Brian here. And just like a woman's body goes through some pretty radical transformations during pregnancy, delivery, and the recovery afterward, we also change our evaluation and examination process just a little bit in some important ways to make sure that we get the best possible results for her. And what I mean is, of course, in common with everybody else, we need to get some information about her health history, the symptoms that she's feeling, stressors in her life that may be causing subluxation and that nerve pressure, which leads to symptoms over time. That's the same for everybody. But in the case of a pregnant woman, we also need to talk about her specific goals, in particular for her birth plan. You see, have a look at some of the common improvements that come together with chiropractic and getting regular adjustments. It's more vitality, well-being, sleep quality, it's more energy, health, better immune system, better digestion. All of those things are super, super important when it comes to how that woman's body is going to perform on the big day. See, we can have the best birth plan in the world, but if we're not taking care of ourselves in these important ways, well then the chances aren't great that it's going to go the way that we want it to. So it's really, really important that we discuss with her what's been happening, what she's feeling, what led her to the point where she's feeling it, and then what's her plan for the rest of the pregnancy, for the birth, and for the delivery, so that we can help her have the very best experience possible as she's bringing that little miracle into the world.